Hi there, Dr. Steve Edlin here, and I want to just talk briefly about statin drugs and peripheral neuropathy and how that can affect it. First thing I want to disclose is that I never tell you, to get off your medications. That's something between you and your doctor, but that's something I highly recommend if you have peripheral neuropathy, since there's a strong correlation uh, uh, with side effects of being on those, especially when I see people with cholesterol. It's like, you need cholesterol for many different physiological functions. And if you're, way down the dumps with no cholesterol because it's, lowering the cholesterol, you're not going to have any enough of that to produce the hormones needed to have good, healthy nerve function. So what statins do is that they really inhibit the formation of cholesterol. I mean, they definitely work. There's no question about it. But we need cholesterol. Cholesterol is used to synthesize CoQ10, and CoQ10 is necessary to generate ATP, or energy, of our cells, and ATP is necessary for any cell to function correctly. A human's ability to make ATP decreases about 1% a year after about age 20. Therefore, older people have decreased potential to make ATP to begin with. So taking statin medications can suppress their ATP production to the point where the neurons cannot maintain their electrochemical gradient. So that's another reason we don't, got to watch these statins sometimes. So the neurons will decrease their overall firing and effectiveness, and this is perceived by the brain as numbness, tingling, those kind of things. So it kind of depends on the exact fiber type that is affected, but there's a quick little reason why, and something I always have to ask people that do come in with neuropathy problems is, are they taking statin drugs? So I know the goal is they want to get way down, like the low hundreds for overall cholesterol, but boy, I tell you what, you need that cholesterol for energy production, and that's where all your steroid hormones start from, is cholesterol. So you need some, maybe it's like skyrocket high, over 300, that kind of thing maybe, but the 200-ish, not, especially if you can't feel your feet, it's something worth looking into for sure. Okay, hope that helps you out a little bit about statin drugs and peripheral neuropathy.